Hi, my name is Carolyn.
Hi, my name is Sasha.
Today we'll be learning about earthquakes. Does anyone know anything or have any questions? Sasha?
Earthquakes can cause great damage.
I made a poster. Does anyone want to come up and hold it for me? Sasha? Okay, we're going to be reading off the facts for you. The planets of the Earth move at about the same rate as your fingernails grow. Earthquakes can cause by a build-up of stress with the crust causing rocks to fail suddenly. Some 80% of all the planet's earthquakes occur along the Pacific Rim. Most deaths during an earthquake are due to collapsing buildings. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the ground, and sometimes it can be so violent buildings can collapse, but there's also tiny earthquakes. We don't feel them at all. An aftershock is an earthquake that occurs after a larger earthquake in the same area that they may strike hours, days, or months later. Does anyone else want to come up and talk about earthquakes? Sasha?
Seismic waves can cause damage or destroy buildings, bridges, and a lot more.
P waves are the first wave to arrive. They compress and expand the ground like an accordion.
Earthquakes are usually caused when rock underground and then breaks along the fault. This sudden release of causes the seismic waves that make the ground shake.
What is happening?
It's an earthquake.
Everyone, get under a stable table or something. When an earthquake happens, you should drop to the ground and get under a stable table or anything stable that you can get under. Make sure you're not by glass, a door, or windows, because the glass can break and you can get hurt.